Hey Cali gang, please do not come for me. I literally just woke up and it's 7:24 in the morning. I've been up for like an hour, give or take, I think. Anyway, so I got this blonde, well, this is one of my Christmas presents. It was a blonde wig from Lucky Queen Hair. They were on AliExpress. They have an Instagram, a Facebook, and a WhatsApp. But yeah, so I'm gonna wash it before I get it installed. So it basically says gently comb through. Excuse me. Gently comb through with a wide tooth comb. Dip in warm water. Apply a small amount moisturizing shampoo from top to end. Wash the hair for 3 to 5 minutes. Rinse from the root to end until shampoo is out. Squeeze excess water out. Apply conditioner from the root to tip. If it tangles, let it sit for several hours. Rinse the conditioner out with warm water. Let it sit, blot, towel dry. Do it naturally, don't hang it up. But yeah, so you're gonna see me wash my wig. I haven't washed a wig, like I don't normally wash the wigs before I get them installed, or the bundles, which I should, but I don't, so maybe I should do that. But yeah, so let's get into this wig washing. Alright, so basically I'm just gonna fill up the Tupperware bowl. I'm gonna take the warm water and then pour in my Shea Moisture shampoo, stir it up, and then, you know, dunk the wig in the water. I'm gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then I'm gonna take it out, rinse it. Alright, and now I'm going in with my Shea Moisture conditioner, and I'm gonna let that sit on the hair for about 5 minutes, and then rinse it out in lukewarm water. I'm actually gonna make sure to rinse it a couple of times just to make sure I get all the product off of the hair. Alright, and then of course after I rinse it out, I'm gonna brush it lightly. I'm gonna try not to put any extra pressure on it, but the hair was super soft after conditioning it, so I wasn't really too worried about fallout or tangles, thank God. Alrighty y'all, so as you can see, I done washed her, conditioned her, and now I'm gonna let her sit for like a couple of days. I'm not getting the wig installed, I think, for like 2 weeks or so, so she's gonna, like, you know, air dry for a few days, like a week, and then I'll put some heat protectant on her and then put her in the bag and put her away. But yeah, I will be right back with the dry wig in a couple of days. Ooh. Hey y'all, don't come for me. I'm about to leave out for work, alright? But yeah, so it's been about 2 days. She seems dry. So hold up, let's flip the camera around. Oh my god, you guys, the wig is like so soft. Like, it was already soft when I got it, but it's super soft. But yeah, so she is dry. So when I get home today, I'm gonna press her out and just get her ready for the install. But yeah, I'll be back. Alright, and now I'm going in with my EVI or Eva Nye. I cannot, no, I never get the name of this product right, but it's like a 10-in-1. It detangles, it's a heat protectant, and does all of that. And then I'm just gonna go in and press the hair out and then add some oil. Hey y'all, so I basically curled all of the hair except for the top part. I'm gonna curl that now. I'm just trying to figure out if I like what kind of part I should do. If I should do a side part, no part, like I don't know. But yeah, I'm gonna figure it out. But yeah, here's the little baby hairs. I done separated them already. That way when Michaela installs the wig, it's going to be a lot easier for her. She's just going to have to do the braid down, install it, and be good to go. But yeah, I'll be right back after I figure out this part situation. Hey y'all, do not come for me. I'm watching the Parkers on the TV. Alright, but yeah, I finally got done. This is the hair left out for baby hairs. But yeah, as you could see, I curled all the hair, and I used literally every pin we had. So yeah, that is wig prep before the install. I cannot wait to install her. Please like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell notification. Stay safe and blessed, Cali gang. We up. Bye.